Welcome back to another Corona POS tutorial. Today, we're going to be showing you how to install a new customer display on your A52 point of sale. Before beginning the customer display build, we're going to need a 4-pin PWM connector, female to male, such as this one. It should come included in the kit with the customer display, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver, such as this, and a flathead screwdriver that looks similar to this. When starting out your build, go ahead and flip your POS on its front, just as I did here. And we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to take off this screw right in the middle here. Now moving forward, we're going to take these two flathead screws and we're going to unscrew those from this back plate here.
There's one. And let's see two.
Now once the screws are off, go ahead and lift the back plate as such and then just release. And you'll have the back plate fully off your point of sale screen. Now moving to the bottom left hand corner of your point of sale, there's going to be a Phillips head screwdriver here in which you can unscrew just like this. Once that Phillips head screw is off, go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver and kind of wedge it in between this kind of crack here of this metal plate, and it should lift up for you, and just like that it'll expose kind of the motherboard and the SSD. Once you have your back plate off there, you're going to head and take your 4-pin connector here and you're going to create almost like a J shape as you see on the screen here, and we're going to take this bigger block of the 4-pin connector here and we're going to take it and we're going to almost angle it through the point of sale screen here as shown, and we're almost wanting to put it in at that angle so it comes out of that top hole there. Just like that, and you're wanting to almost have it look like this. Now once you have this kind of fished through, you want to take this other side of the pin connector and we're going to place it in these 4-pin slot right here. So if we go ahead and do that now, to look along lines of something like that. Now with the top of our connector, we're going to have this connect to the actual new customer display or replacement customer display here, and we're going to connect both the connectors just like this. Now that the customer display is screwed on, go ahead and take the back plate and you're almost going to slide it in as such and then press down. Once that's on there, go ahead and you're going to take the screwdriver with the Phillips head and the screw and you're going to screw that back into place here. Now, once you have that back plate on, we're going to install the stand here, and you're going to want to put these two holes here on these two metal screws as shown. Just like that, and then if we push up just a tiny bit, we can see all the screw holes here. Now that you have the back plate on, go ahead and screw in Now that you have your stand connected here, go ahead, you can pick it up with 2 hands here, and then flip it, and you now have your new customer display on your A52 point of sale.